So today we are going waterfall hopping, first time. So we were gonna go on a super long trail, but we decided let's just go waterfall hopping and do things we haven't done. And yeah, so let's see how this goes. Now this is falls number 1. Same waterfall, just a closer view. Waterfall number 2. Look at this waterfall. It's just so pretty. On the way to the 3rd waterfall we go. Look at the mushrooms. Don't mind me, just in a tree. You know what they say? The best things in life are free. So true.